I can still remember what it was like when I hit the road for the first time on my Kawasaki Concourse, just a couple days after taking the motorcycle safety course and getting my M endorsement. Now, though the motorcycle safety course is great, it did not prepare me mentally for what I was going to face when riding in the real world. So in this video, I'm going to go over a couple mental aspects I had to overcome when I first started riding. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a tip that may just keep you out of trouble. So stay right there. Hey guys, I'm Paul the Motor Guy, and welcome to my ProRider Central Texas YouTube channel. Now, if this is your first time here and you're serious about taking your riding to the next level, then hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you don't miss any new videos. Okay, so you just passed the motorcycle safety course and bought the bike of your dreams, and now you have to ride it home. Things just got real, right? Believe me, we've all been there. So in this video, I'm gonna give some insights on what to expect in the next couple months as you start your riding adventures. Now, the first thing I noticed was the noise. I had no idea how loud it would be riding on the roadway. In the car, we're enclosed, the music on, we're talking. The noises on the roadway are not as loud as they are when you're on a motorcycle. This will take you a little bit of time to get used to. Now, here's an example of some of the noises you will hear when you're riding your motorcycle. Now, the second thing I didn't realize is just how close vehicles would be riding next to me. This made me very uneasy. I felt very, very vulnerable. Because depending on what lane position you're in and what lane the vehicle is in, there could be a minimum of 6 feet between you and that vehicle. I realized very, very quickly how dangerous riding a motorcycle could be. Now, the third thing I didn't realize is just how much your motorcycle can be moved around on a windy day. But remember, don't panic and stay light on the controls. Now, if the wind is blowing you to the right, gently press left on your hand grip to compensate for it, and do the opposite if the wind is blowing you to the left. Now, the fourth thing I didn't realize is just how intimidating it could be riding at night. Not only do you have limited vision because it's dark, but you also have vehicle headlights that are shining in your eyes. And there will also be shadows that are cast on the roadway from the street signs, making it appear that there are objects in the roadways when there's not. Now, this can be very, very intimidating, especially on high-speed roadways. So here's an example of what those shadows may look like. Now, the tip for the new riders. Plan your route according to your skill level and your comfort level. Now, what do I mean by this? Well, when I first started riding, I would purposely pass a flyover that I had to take to get to my house. I would drive past that flyover, make the turnaround, and then get back on the roadway. I did this for several weeks until I built up my confidence and skill level to where I felt comfortable taking a flyover. And when I started taking a flyover, I first would take it slow, and as I got used to the flyover, I would increase my speed gradually. Now, I've heard many people say, hey, get your bike, go straight to the highway. It's easy to ride fast. That is a true statement, but I would not recommend that until you've had a chance to practice your emergency braking and your swerving technique. So again, I want to thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and share it. And also hit up on that comment section below and share an experience you've had when you were a new rider. So until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.